Hello, hello, it's Nicole Shevokas, your Scentsy Independent Director right here. I just wanted to share with you our amazing new Scentsy Wall Fan Diffuser. So, rumor has it this is our new scent delivery system that was going to be launched in September. And it's still actually not available for purchase, but on the Scentsy incentive trip, you guys may have seen my pictures. We just got back from Marco Island, Florida on a Scentsy incentive trip, and we got one in our room drop, so that was super cool. They will typically leave us, so when you register, or when you get there and you register or check in or whatever, you get a gift bag typically with some goodies in it and different things. And then at the dinner they gave us some cute coconut cups, and then they left us gifts in our room. They're called room drops. So the first one, we got some chocolate turtles and a little bracelet that supports turtle preservation, so that's kind of cool because they have turtles on the beach. We didn't see any. They were nesting, I think, right now, but we didn't see any babies. But anyway, on our final room drop, they left us this super awesome wall fan diffuser. So for those of you that have used the Scentsy Go, it's a similar type product, but it does plug into the outlet. So it has a little opening on the bottom, and then there's a fan inside. So when you turn it on, the fan's gonna spin and blow air through our Scentsy pods, so that the base comes apart. And when you have your little Scentsy pods, we actually got Pina Colada Cha-Cha in our room drop, so it's amazing. It smells so good. So it will fit 2 pods. You can mix and match if you want. So you could do one of 2 different scents if you want to mix, or you could just use one at a time if you want less scent. It's up to you. And then you just pop the base back on, and then it plugs into the outlet. And I'm going to go ahead and flip the screen so you guys can see this. All right. So here it is. This Scentsy Wall Fan Diffuser, and you just turn the little button on and then it spins. And I don't even think I can hear it. You can kind of hear it. It's a super quiet little whir. So a tiny bit of white noise, but it's probably going to be mostly undetectable. And within instance you can start smelling it. So super, super cool. That is our Scentsy Wall Fan Diffuser. I think this is going to be great for like kids' bedrooms, or you know, the hallway outlets where you kind of want something to smell good, but people could walk by and bump it. So there's no wax, so you're not going to make a mess. So that's super cool. Like our mini warmers, the base does rotate. So if you have a different oriented plug, totally fine. You can use it in side plugs or straight up and down. So you can go either side, down to the side, or upside down. So however your plugs are oriented, it will work. And you just push the little button on the bottom to spin it. So super cute wall fan diffuser. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm totally enjoying mine, and these will be available in September, so stay tuned. That's also when our new catalog comes out for fall. So if you guys need anything, give me a holla. Have a great one. Happy 4th of July. Bye.